An English Learner, a channel for those who learn English. To be in affirmative, negative, and questions. The verb to be has three forms. They are am, is, and are. If I talk about myself, I say I am. Let's look at examples. I am a teacher. To make a sentence negative, I add not. I am not a doctor. To ask a question, I begin with am. Am I a secretary? No, I am not. Am I a teacher? Yes, I am. One more form of the verb to be is are. We are, you are, they are. Let's look at examples. We are workers. You are teachers. They are students. To make a sentence negative, we also need not. We are not musicians. You are not singers. They are not farmers. To ask a question, we begin with are. Are they doctors? No, they are not. Are we twins? Yes, we are. And the last form of the verb to be is. She is, he is, it is. She is a nurse. He is a carpenter. It is a rose. In a negative sentence, we use not. She is not a cook. He is not a driver. It is not a tree. In a question, we start with is. Is he a dancer? No, he is not. Is it an ice cream? Yes, it is. So, what about you guys? What are you? Write in comments. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. Follow me on YouTube.